How to add song in Instagram with photo. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video, I'll simply guide you through the process on how you can actually add songs to Instagram with photos. So make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to add a song to Instagram with photos, all you have to do is first of all open up Instagram. Once you open up Instagram, you can see I've not yet added a story. So I'll just select a story over here. And then I'll choose a photo that I want to upload with the story, right? So I'll just select this random photo. Now let's say that I want to upload songs in it. All I have to do is just tap on the sticker icon from the top right hand side of the screen. And once I tap on the sticker icon, here you will find a sticker called music. Now in case you don't find music sticker, you can also utilize the search box and then just type in music, and then you'll see the music sticker pop up basically. Just tap on that sticker. Now you have to simply choose a song that you want. You can see some of the preloaded songs, or you can browse through some of the songs, or else you could just tap on the search music button which you see right over here. Now once you've done that, just select the song over here. Now you can choose the music, or you can choose the type, or you can choose with lyric basically what type of songs and verses you want. You can also choose the duration up to 15 seconds. Then just tap on done. And basically once you've done that, you'll have successfully added music or songs to Instagram story with photos. That is it for this video on how you can actually add songs to Instagram story with photos. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.